Let's learn some minute math tricks. This is the butterfly method for adding fractions. 7/3 plus a 5/2. Think diagonally here. Multiply up. 2 times 7, 14. 3 times a 5 is a 15. We add those two numbers up and we get a 29. Multiply across the bottom. 3 times 2 is a 6. And there we have it. 7/3 plus a 5/2 is 29/6. 4/3 plus a 7/2. Multiply across the diagonal here. 2 times 4 is 8, and 3 times a 7 is a 21. We add those two numbers and we get a 29. The denominator we multiply across. 3 times 2 is a 6, and there's our answer. 4/3 plus a 7/2 is a 29/6. 3/2 plus a 10/3. Multiply across the diagonal. 3 times 3 is a 9, and 2 times 10 is a 20. We add these two numbers and we get a 29. The denominator, 2 times 3, we multiply that out and we get a 6. And there's our answer. 3/2 plus a 10/3 is a 29/6. 1/3 plus a 9/2. Multiply across the diagonal. 2 times 1 is a 2. 3 times a 9, though, is a 27. We add those two numbers. 2 plus 27 is a 29. Multiply across the bottom. 3 times 2 is a 6. And there we have it. 1/3 plus a 9/2 is a 29/6. 17/6 plus 2/1. Multiply across the diagonals. 1 times a 17 is a 17. 6 times a 2, though, is a 12. We add those two numbers up, and 17 plus a 12 is a 29. Multiply across the bottom here. 6 times 1 is a 6. And there we have it. 17/6 plus 2/1 is 29/6. Now you know some minute math tricks.